Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. This is your third cooking and kitchen vocabulary video, where we'll be looking at prepping and cooking verbs. We'll use most of this in the next video, which will be a pancake recipe, so you don't want to miss that. Let's start with your prepping verbs. Couper, to cut. Couper, with an EZ, is cut, as in you're giving the order to do something, and that's how recipes are written, with an EZ form. Do this and do that and mix this and mix that, and so on. Éplucher, to peel. Éplucher, peel. Mélanger, to mix. Mélanger, mix. Battre, to beat. Battez, beat. You see how here the ending's different because it's an RE verb, not an ER verb. ER being written ER or EZ is the same sound, but obviously not for battre. Ajouter, to add. Ajouter, add. Verser, to pour. Verser, pour. Poser, to put. Poser, put. Laisser, to leave or to let. Laisser, leave or let, and that will depend on the context which one it is. Now for our cooking verbs. Faire cuire, to cook. Faites cuire, cook, when you give the order. Now we use faire because you're the one who's making it cook. These aren't cooking on their own, so that's why you need the faire in front of each one. Faire bouillir, to boil. Faites bouillir, boil. Faire frire, to fry. Faites frire, fry. Faire griller, to grill. Faites griller, grill. Faire rôtir, to roast. Faites rôtir, roast. Faire mijoter, to simmer. Faites mijoter, simmer. Faire gratiner, to bake. Faites gratiner, bake. Faire gratiner is specifically when you bake something so it has a crispy top. Préchauffer, to preheat. Préchauffer, preheat. That's it for today. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video, and keep an eye out for the next one, as I said before, because I'll be taking you through a pancake recipe in French and English.